everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Artificial rain, a work from home policy, a ban on vehicles in air pollution hotspots, and awareness campaigns to bring about a change in citizens' behavior are likely to feature in the Delhi government's winter action plan, Environment Minister Gopal Rai said on Thursday. Addressing a press conference, Mr. Rai said suggestions were sought from officials of various departments and environment experts on dealing with the period around Deepavali when the air is calm and the pollutants cannot disperse. The government will discuss the suggestions on September 5 before realizing the action plan, he said, adding that artificial rain was the topo recommendation. I will write a letter to the Union Environment Minister, requesting him to hold a meeting with the experts of IIT Kanpur and the departments concerned to enable artificial rain as an emergency measure. Last year as well we had received this suggestion, but we need the center to come on board, Mr. Rai said. The minister said, work from home has been a part of the Graded Response Action Plan, GRAP. Measures followed in Delhi according to the severity of the situation when air pollution enters the severe category. But this year, it is likely that the government will not wait for an emergency to promote a work from home culture in both private and government officials during winter, he said. An air quality index reading between 51 and 100 is considered satisfactory. Category 201 and 300 poor. 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 450 severe. Other suggestions include staggered office timings to reduce the numbers of vehicles on the road when pollution is at its peak in the morning, and encouraging the use of electric vehicles in pollution hotspots. Mr. Rai said steps taken by the governments in the past had yielded results, adding that the number of days when the air quality was satisfactory rose to 206 in 2023 from 110 days in 2016. Delhi BJP President Vijendra Sachdeva termed Mr. Rai's claims false and misleading. Due to the increased pressure of stubble burning in Punjab, winter pollution was at its worst in 2023, he said. ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।